is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your credit score on Chase app. So here's how you can easily check your credit score on Chase. So in your Google web page, just start searching for Chase credit score. Then in the list of links, you should be able to see this check your credit score link. Just click on it. Next is you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is click on get free score. Next is you will be shown this page, get your free credit score, and here's an explanation on how it works. All you have to do is provide the necessary details about yourself for them to know you more, and you have to create a username and password only if you still doesn't have an account on Chase. Then just sign in to see your credit score. And just a reminder or disclaimer here that you must be at least 18 years old, a US resident, and have a SS number. Then proceed to get started. So from here, you just have to fill out all the necessary information. So once you've done all of these steps, you should be able to see your credit score. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!